Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. The other day we made some budbud, a Filipino mochi rice coconut dessert. And somebody asked, how do you cook the rice? I mentioned in the video that you cook it just like regular rice. So today I'm going to show you. But this is the bag that sweet rice comes in. It's known as sweet rice, mochi rice, or sticky rice. And for some recipes, like the budbud, you cannot use regular rice. You have to use this type of rice. And this is sticky rice is also different from the Thai ones, which are skinnier. This is the Japanese type that I prefer. It's a short grain. It looks like this. This is the old school way of making rice. When I grew up, there was no rice cooker, so everybody cooked it this way. So what I did was I measured 3 cups of rice, and I don't even measure the water. So what I do here is I have some water, I pour it in, mix it up a little bit, and you're gonna take the middle finger, and where the first joint is, you're gonna put it not all the way down to the pan, but above the rice. And it's got to meet that joint there. So just smooth it out. And there it is. It's right at the joint. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on the stove, cover it, bring it to a boil, and then I'll show you the next step. The water has already boiled and it evaporated very quickly, so I'm just going to show you now. So what you do is you stir it up. Because you want to get the under part cooked and the top part underneath, okay? So you just mix it up real good like this. And then you cover it back up and you turn it on low for 15 minutes and then it'll be done. So I'll see you in 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and the rice is pretty much done, and I like to give it a stir again. Sometimes the rice on top might not be completely cooked. You can try it. If it's a little hard, what I do is I just turn it over and then let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then the rice will cook. At this point now, you're ready to do whatever you want with the mochi rice. This is how to cook it. And remember, you can use a rice pot too. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have any suggestions for me to make, let me know. Thank you for watching. Mahalo.